The Baja Bug is one of the most iconic off-road cars ever created, born from a simple idea: transform the humble Volkswagen Beetle into a desert-ready machine. Its origins date back to the late 1960s in Southern California, when off-road enthusiasts began modifying standard Beetles to compete in grueling events like the Baja 1000, a legendary race across the harsh terrain of Mexico's Baja California peninsula. Instead of replacing the Beetle's body with fiberglass shells like the Myers-Manx dune buggy, early builders simply cut away excess bodywork, raised the suspension, and fitted knobby off-road tires. The lightweight chassis, rear-engine layout, and air-cooled flat-4 engine proved ideal for desert conditions, simple, durable, and easy to repair. These stripped-down Beetles quickly became symbols of rebellion, creativity, and freedom, blending surf culture with motorsport spirit. During the 1970s, thousands of Beetles were converted into Baja Bugs, and the look became instantly recognizable: shortened front and rear sections, exposed engine, and wide fenders. The style even inspired Tamiya's Sand Scorcher, a famous radio-controlled model that helped cement the Baja Bug's cult status worldwide. In modern times, the Baja Bug remains a favorite among collectors and off-road fans, but new companies have brought it into the 21st century. The British firm Twisted Automotive, known for its high-end Land Rover Defenders, recently unveiled the Twisted TBug, a reimagined Baja Beetle built from vintage 1960s-1980s donors. The T-Bug doubles the original engine's power to around 80 horsepower, features Bilstein long-travel suspension, BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, a strengthened chassis, and LED headlights, combining rugged off-road capability with bespoke craftsmanship. Each T-Bug is custom-built to order, with unique interiors finished in leather and modern materials. While prices remain undisclosed, it's expected to cost as much as a luxury Restomod. The T-Bug shows how the simple, joyful essence of the original Baja Bug, lightweight, fun, and unpretentious, still thrives today, proving that even modest power can deliver pure driving pleasure on sand, dirt, or asphalt.